Before fashion became fast, before clothing became disposable, before trends lasted only a few weeks, there were garments built to survive. Not just seasons, not just years, but generations. Among those garments stands one of the most recognizable fabrics ever woven. Corduroy, a material defined by its raised ridges, its unmistakable texture, and its unusual ability to feel both practical and elegant at the same time. Corduroy pants are not simply another category of trousers. They represent centuries of textile development, social change, craftsmanship, and cultural identity. Because clothing was never only about appearance, it was also about function, protection, status, and human adaptation. Corduroy is a woven textile distinguished by vertical ribs known as wales. These raised lines create the texture that immediately separates corduroy from almost every other fabric. The width of these ridges can vary dramatically. Some corduroy fabrics contain narrow and refined ribs. Others feature thick and highly visible ridges. This variation changes not only appearance but also the character of the garment itself. The fabric combines softness with durability, comfort with structure, warmth with flexibility. These characteristics helped corduroy survive changing fashion eras that eliminated countless other materials. But the story of corduroy begins long before modern fashion. The origins of corduroy can be traced through centuries of textile experimentation. Its exact birthplace remains debated among historians. Some connections point toward ancient woven fabrics used throughout Europe. Others connect its development to textile innovations that emerged during the Industrial Revolution. What is certain is that by the 18th and 19th centuries, corduroy had become strongly associated with durability. Factories needed workers, workers needed clothing, and clothing needed to withstand physical labor. At a time when garments were expected to endure years of use, fabric choice mattered enormously. Corduroy answered that challenge. Its thick construction resisted wear. Its surface concealed damage. Its warmth protected workers from cold environments. Its flexibility allowed movement during demanding physical tasks. For farmers, railroad workers, factory laborers, builders, and tradesmen, corduroy became more than fabric. It became equipment. In many industrial communities, corduroy pants were trusted tools rather than fashion items. They were selected for performance, not appearance. Yet something unexpected happened. As decades passed, the practical qualities that made corduroy useful also made it appealing. The fabric possessed visual depth. Its ridges interacted with light differently than flat textiles. Shadows formed naturally across its surface. Movement created changing patterns. The fabric appeared alive. This distinctive texture attracted attention. Fashion designers began noticing what workers had already known. Corduroy was durable, but it was also beautiful. By the 20th century, corduroy expanded far beyond industrial settings. Universities adopted it, professors wore it, students embraced it, artists favored it, writers appreciated it. Intellectual culture slowly developed an unusual relationship with corduroy. The fabric became associated with thoughtfulness, education, creativity, and quiet confidence. Unlike luxury fabrics that announce status loudly, corduroy communicated something different: competence, experience, and substance. It suggested that appearance mattered, but not more than character. Psychologically, corduroy creates a unique response. Human perception constantly evaluates texture. The brain does not only see surfaces, it imagines touching them. This process influences emotional reactions. Corduroy's ridges create visual signals associated with warmth and comfort. The fabric appears soft before it is ever touched. Its texture reduces visual harshness. Its structure feels natural. Its imperfections feel human. Modern psychology often associates highly polished surfaces with formality and distance. Corduroy produces the opposite effect. It feels approachable, grounded, authentic, reliable. These emotional associations help explain why corduroy repeatedly returns to popularity. Even when fashion changes dramatically, even when new materials emerge, even when trends shift toward entirely different aesthetics, corduroy continues to survive because it satisfies psychological needs beyond appearance. It creates familiarity, and familiarity creates comfort. The cultural meaning of corduroy evolved throughout the 20th century. During certain decades, it symbolized academic life. In others, it represented artistic independence. Sometimes it appeared rebellious, sometimes traditional. Few fabrics have demonstrated such flexibility of identity. This adaptability became one of corduroy's greatest strengths. It could exist in formal settings, casual settings, creative environments, and professional spaces, without losing its essential character. Fashion trends came and went. Corduroy remained. The late 20th century introduced new challenges. Synthetic fabrics expanded rapidly. Mass production accelerated. Fast fashion transformed consumer behavior. Many traditional textiles struggled to maintain relevance. Corduroy appeared vulnerable. Its association with older generations seemed to place it at risk. Yet once again, the fabric adapted. Designers reimagined corduroy through modern cuts, slim silhouettes, contemporary tailoring, new color palettes, streetwear influences. Suddenly, a historic material found a new audience. Young consumers discovered what previous generations already understood. Texture creates identity. Today, corduroy pants occupy a unique position within modern fashion. They exist outside many trend cycles. They can appear vintage, minimalist, luxury, casual, classic, or contemporary, depending on how they are styled. Few garments offer such versatility. Sustainability has also contributed to corduroy's modern revival. Consumers increasingly seek clothing designed for longevity. The culture of disposable fashion faces growing criticism. People want garments that last, garments that age gracefully, garments that develop character over time. Corduroy naturally aligns with these values. Its durability encourages long-term ownership. Its appearance often improves through wear. Its aging process adds personality rather than reducing appeal. This relationship with time distinguishes corduroy from many modern textiles. The fabric does not fear age. It embraces it. Perhaps that explains why corduroy continues to endure. Not because it is fashionable, but because it transcends fashion. It represents a different philosophy of clothing. One built upon patience, utility, craftsmanship, and permanence. In a world increasingly defined by speed, corduroy reminds us of duration. In a culture focused on constant replacement, it reminds us of preservation. And in an era obsessed with smooth perfection, its ridges tell another story. A story of texture, character, and individuality. Because clothing was never only about covering the body, it was about expressing values. And few fabrics express resilience more clearly than corduroy. A fabric born from work, refined through culture, revived by fashion, and carried forward through generations. Not because it demanded attention, but because it earned it. And that is why corduroy pants never truly disappeared.